Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can stream Netflix on Discord without black screen. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to stream Netflix on Discord without a black screen, the way to do it is simply disabling the hardware acceleration in both our Discord settings and our browser settings. So to do that in a Discord app, what you're going to do is you're going to open up, or in your laptop or desktop, you're going to open up a Discord app, and then you're going to go to this U section at the bottom right. From over here, you're going to go to this settings icon given on top right corner. Then you're gonna simply scroll and find this option of appearance in the app settings. Once you're over here, you will be able to find this option of hardware acceleration option, which you simply gotta go ahead toggle off. As soon as you do that, you're gonna simply do the same to your browser. You're gonna open up your browser. In the browser settings, you're gonna turn off the hardware acceleration option, and that will help you out to not have a black screen on Netflix while streaming on Discord. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.